Hey, I am about to show you and share with you a way that you can take your expertise, package it up into an offer that people are really willing to buy. And we're going to do this in 4 simple steps using AI. Step one, the very first thing you want to do is a brain dump. So you're going to want to open up your Google Doc and you're going to want to tell this document who I am, who I help, what problems I solve, what's the process of my thing that I do, and who have I helped so far. I've given results to, whether that's myself, whether that's a client, whether that's a friend or a family member. These are the results that I know that I can give people because I've done it. Now, if you're in a position where you haven't done it for anybody else other than yourself, that's okay too. You make sure you put that down here in the results that I've given. I gave it to myself, and I'm looking forward to helping others do the same thing. And that is what you need to do with this document. Now, there is a little more to it. I do have the whole entire document in my builders community, along with the implementation guide to this video. So you can go grab it for free. And then you can just take out this information right here and put in your own information and then have that document. So then what you're going to want to do at this point is you're going to want to download the document, name it, and then download it as a markdown. So you're going to download it as an MD file. AIs read and love to read MDs, okay? So if you can get it in an MD, get it in an MD. So we want it marked down, and then we're going to save it. Now we're going to download it, and what we're going to do at that point is jump to our desktop and create a folder, and then we're going to drop this in the folder, okay? So that way we have all of our stuff together. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to pull up my AI. Okay, so with this being said, I am using Claude. Everybody that knows me knows that I am a Claude girl. Okay, so I'm going to use Claude here. And what we're going to do is go over here to Claude Code. Now, you have to have a subscription for Claude to use Claude Code and Claude Cowork. And it's, I believe, $20 a month for Claude, but you can use the free version. If you use the free version, you'll just be able to chat here in the desktop app, and you will have to upload your file this way, okay? And in our case, I am using Claude, so I have the folder on my desktop, and I'm gonna come over here, and as you can see, we have the little bot, and this is an agentic AI, so it's upgrade is different. And what I want to do is I want to navigate down here to the folders, and I'm going to make sure the folder is selected itself, the actual folder that everything is in. And then I'm going to select that. And now we need to enter a prompt. So here comes the prompt for step 2. We need for our agentic AI to read the document in that file. So what I'm going to do is paste this prompt here. All the prompts that I use are located in the implementation guide. So you can pause the video, feel free to do so, grab the prompt, or you can go into the free builders community and get the whole implementation guide along with the templates to this video. What's happening is it is actually reading the file, and it's great because Claude Code tells you how many tokens is using so far as your usage is concerned. It's telling you how many to get the job done. So it gives you more detail in regards to what it is that you're doing. I love it. Okay, Claude Code came back with some stuff for us. Now, the purpose of that prompt was for it to extract the methodology from our own expertise out for us, because sometimes we have expertise, we just don't know how to articulate it the way that we want it to come across. So it did that for us. It gave us our core methodology based off of our expertise, and is giving us the steps that we do in that process. Is giving us the underlying pattern that it recognized from within our expertise. We have step 2 completed, and we're going to want to save this, analyze this, look at this, and tweak it to our liking. Step 3. what we want to do with this methodology is we want to take it and actually structure it to a point where we can create an offer and have a transformation in there for the people that we're trying to help. So we need this offer created and more structured. And that is what this prompt does for us. Our AI is getting ready to take our methodology, flip it, and package it into a structured offer. All right, so it came back to us for our step 3. It found everything for us, and now it created the offer. The offer is the Go to Gone Accelerator. Okay, that sounds good. Who is for? Mid-career women. What is the problem that it solves? The core problem. You know you need to leave your job. This is an exit coach here. That was the example. You do not know what you are leaving to do. Okay, so it gives us the problem. It gives us the transformation. So the before and the after. So we get the you are competent. That is before, exhausted, paralyzed. Okay, and then after you have a named transferable core. Okay, so this is what our program gives them. And then it says what's included in this program. So it's given us the deliverables that we need to have in place for this program to work and be the perceived value that it is. So then it's going to break down our deliverables for us in the format in which we can give that deliverable as well. You don't necessarily have to give all the deliverables. Is giving you some ideas. You can twist and remix them the way you like. So you go through this, it gives you that, it gives you the duration, 3 months. That's like a 90-day accelerator, right? So we're looking high ticket at this point. If you're doing 90-day accelerators, capacity 4 clients at a time, because that's what I put inside of my expertise. I just want to work with 4 people during this example. I just want to work with 4 people. This is because it's so hands-on and one-on-one that I really need to dig in. And this is going to be the price that we charge. In the expertise, it says I charge $2,500. But it gave us some rationale in regards to the price. Okay. So it is going to do that for us because it's going to be like something like it's probably too low. And that's probably why it gave us the price of $6,500 based on all the assets that we do. Now, if we're not doing all of the deliverables, then of course that might change a few things in the pricing. But moving on to step 4. We need assets for this. So now we have our methodology. We have our structured course. We need the assets to be able to sell it so people can actually buy it. That is what this prompt does. For step 4, our AI is about to think. Our AI is going deep. It is about to come back. It looked at the expertise. It looked at the methodology. It looked at the way it structured the offer. Now it's going to bring us back some core assets that we can use and plug and play to go out to the marketplace to get customers. Okay, so that is what it's doing now. Okay, Claude has came back with us some goodies. All right, wonderful. Okay, it is done. So this is the positioning. So these are the assets it came back with. This is our position statement. D. Willis is a corporate exit coach who spent 22 years in HR. Okay, it's given us the positioning. Okay, it doesn't have to be that long. Okay, so say, for example, I didn't like this. I can actually say this positioning statement is too long, tighten it up. And then it says asset number 2, the full offer outline. So it's outlining the offer in and of itself. So we got 3 months, one-on-one coaching engagement. That is the title. It's broken down into phase 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's telling us what we need to do between those weeks. Between weeks 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 8, and 9 and 12. This is the roadmap for our client. It gives us the rationale on the pricing. I knew it was going to do that. So it's telling us, hey, your price was probably too low inside of the expertise. I was undervaluing myself in this example. And then we have the skeleton of a sales page made. Okay, so it came back with us like something we can put on a landing page or use a Google Doc as our landing page. I've done that before in the past, made $3,000 in 2 hours off of a Google Doc. I've done it. You have the outline of a sales page right here where you have the headline, you state the problem that they're facing, you have the solution, which is your product to the problem, and what's included in your solution or in your product or offer. And then you have who it's for and the investment and a CTA, a call to action. So you get all of these things in just a few minutes, okay? Using Claude, agentic AI. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. If you want all of these prompts and the templates to this, you can get them there for free along with this video inside of my builders community, and the link is below. So if you're still watching and you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I love doing things like this. I'm very techie and I love to help you get results faster. So once again, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.